Hey guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick tutorial on how you can do hair spa at your home. Now products which I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video, everything will be linked in the description box below. So in case you guys like, then you guys could go ahead and check it out. Also a quick disclaimer, the products which I'm going to be sharing in this video works well for my hair. That doesn't necessarily mean that it would work well for you as well. So make sure you do a patch test before applying it over your hair. And yes, without wasting further more time, let's get into this video. So I'm going to be illustrating 4 simple steps to complete this entire hair spa process. The first one has to be applying a very good hair pack. I'm going to quickly share you the recipe on how you can make a hair recipe at home. Second step would be to use a shampoo. Thirdly, conditioner, and then applying a serum over the hair so that you guys will get a very nice shine on your hair. So yeah, let's begin up with our first step. So the hair pack which I'm going to be using in this video is by The Natural Wash. It's their hair protective pack. Now why I would go ahead and use this pack? First thing, it's an Indian brand, so hence vocal for local. Secondly, it is organic, it contains Indian herbs. So how do you need to apply this over your hair? So the first thing is you need to take 4 or 5 spoons of this pack or a powder into a iron container or a steel container. Then pour some ample amount of water into it, mix it well. As you guys could see, I do have a dry hair, so that's why I went ahead, added a huge amount of curd into it, because that's how it's going to smoothen our hair. You just need to mix it well. Post that, you need to keep this hair pack for around 2 hours as it is. Post that, your hair pack will be ready to apply over your hair. What you need to do is apply it over the roots, just how I have showed in the video. Apply it over the roots and then start concentrating over the scalp. So as you guys would have seen from the video, I have kept that pack over my hair for around 2 hours, and post that I took a shower. It's pretty obvious I couldn't show you guys how I do shampooing on my hair. So the shampoo which I've used for this video is herbal shampoo by The Natural Wash. Now it's enriched again with nourishing herbs and it's organic, ayurvedic, free from all chemicals. It is retailed at rupees 340 and it's a 200 ml bottle. When I initially opened this shampoo, the consistency was thick and it was black in color. The only best part which I liked about this shampoo is it's 100% natural. For those who don't like to use chemical products on their hair, should definitely go ahead and have a look into this shampoo. It smells typically like a Rita. Now step number 2 is done. For the step number 3, you guys could go ahead and use any of the conditioner which you have at your home. I use the Dove's conditioner because that works really well on my hair. Now we are done with the rinsing off. Since I have a pretty long hair, it took me quite a lot of time to wash my hair off and rinse it off very properly, because this hair pack contains a lot of chunks of, I guess, Rita or some herbs. That's the reason why it took me so long to get rid of those. Also, do not forget to add conditioner after applying a shampoo, because that's a very crucial step for this entire hair spa treatment. So as you guys would have seen how my damp hair looks like, I think hair quality have improved a lot after using this hair pack. Now it's time to wait for couple of hours to let my hair dry. Since it takes me around like 3 hours to let my hair dry, I'm gonna quickly go and blow dry my hair and I'll catch you back. Now we are done with this part. Now the next step is to apply a hair serum. So the hair serum which I am using for today's video is again by the same brand. It's their Black Seed hair serum and it contains fenugreek oil. Now it claims that it's going to control frizz, prevent split ends and detangles hair. I don't know if it prevents split ends or not, but I'm definitely sure that it's going to control frizz and it detangles the hair very well, because I've also put a clip for you guys so that you guys could see how well it performs. Also, it claims that it suits all hair types. In case you guys are looking for a very good hair serum, then I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this one. This is totally chemical free. It retails at rupees 520, which I think is little bit on a pricier side, but I think it's going to last me for around 6 months, so I think that's not a bad deal though. I do have a chapped lips and I seriously want to get rid of that. I was looking for some herbal lip balm and I'm glad I found it on their website again. Now this is a herbal lip balm and it's in the variant beetroot. If you guys ask me how is the formulation, I would definitely say it works pretty well on my lips. It feels extremely smooth. Also, it smells similar to a bubble gum, the Boomer one. So yeah, it's quite tempting. Also, it's paraben free and it is retailed at rupees 260 rupees, which I think it could last me for 6 months, so I don't mind purchasing it once again. Okay, now talking about the pros and cons of the hair pack. Now I totally agree to this point that it strengthens the hair. It leaves a very smooth texture over the hair. It prevents damage to the hair to a certain extent. It is free from any artificial ingredients, so that's a win-win situation for us. Also, it retails for just rupees 390 rupees, which I think it's a good deal, because you guys could go ahead, take 3 spoons of this pack whenever you feel your hair have turned very dry. So you guys could go ahead and use this pack and it would last you for, I guess, 6 months easily, because hair spa तो हम हमेशा नहीं करते, we do it occasionally. Now talking about the cons about this product, I feel the chunks which this hair pack have, it's very difficult to rinse it off properly. I applied shampoo twice to get rid of this hair pack because the chunks were sticking directly on my hair and it was pretty difficult to get rid of that. Apart from that, I would say once you are done with the shampoo, it feels a little rough on your hair, but once you apply the conditioner, I think your hair feels extremely smooth. So never ever skip the step of conditioning your hair. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and this video was quite useful for you guys to know how to do hair spa at your home. If you guys want to see more such similar content on my channel, make sure you subscribe and also press the little bell icon. And yes, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.